Okay, so here is an equation. I know it is an equation because it has an equal sign. Expressions have no equal signs, equations have equal signs. Once you have an equal sign, you have created a left side, oops, and a right side. What the heck? Okay. So, to solve an equation, first you want to get all your variable terms or your letter terms on one side and all your number terms on the other side. So this would be easiest if we took our 2z from the right side and moved it to the left side. As a first step, it's always useful to put a positive sign in front of any term that doesn't already have a positive sign or doesn't already have a positive or negative sign. So if we have positive 2z and we want to get rid of it, we have to subtract 2z. So we have our positive 2z. We want to get rid of it, so we're going to subtract 2z. And then we still have our negative 15 there. And we have negative 3z on the left side. So we have to keep the equation balanced. So if you subtract 2z on the right side, you have to subtract 2z on the left side. Now the meaning of the equation is still the same because we've kept it balanced. Now we will collect like terms. So negative 2z minus 3z. It's 2 negatives and 3 negatives. There's no positives to cancel out any negatives. So you've got 5 negatives altogether. And those are z terms. Over here we have negative 2z positive 2z minus 2z. So positive 2 minus 2 is 0. So adding or subtracting 0 doesn't change anything, so those are gone. And then we have our negative 15 on the right side. So now we have all our variable terms on one side, our number terms on the other side, and we've collected them. So we have one term equaling one term. Now we can get our z by itself. So to get z by itself, you want to get rid of the negative 5. Right now, negative 5 is being multiplied by z. The opposite operation of multiplying by negative 5 is dividing by negative 5. Now, some people know that negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1, so they can cancel it. Or you can punch into your calculator and find out that you get positive 1, z, equals negative divided by negative is positive, 15 divided by 5 is 3. But then you still kind of end up in the same place because now you want to get rid of the positive 1. So you divide by positive 1. And then you could punch in positive 1 divided by positive 1 is positive 1. So you'd end up back where you were here. So you really have to get used to just, if you have the same thing on the top and the bottom, just cancel it. So canceling your negative 5s, you end up with z equals positive 3.